Hi, so today I want to share a very quick tool for regulating your nervous system and emotional inner world to help you stay more grounded and happy as you're preparing for that journey of trying to get pregnant and build your family. So the tool is to work on your inner dialogue, that inner talk, the way you talk to yourself, the words you say. Sometimes they're just so elusive that you're not even noticing what you're telling yourself. And sometimes they're so loud that you're actually using like very hurtful words towards yourself. So I encourage you to take a piece of paper or just think in your brain the way you talk to yourself right now, all in regards to the fertility and pregnancy. For example, some of the things we tell ourselves is, you failed, you're failing, you're not good enough, you're not doing everything you can, you could be doing more, you're not going to get it, others are going to get it but not you because you are less or you're not enough. Or for example, it's my fault. If there's a outcome that you're disappointed with, you're going to say, it's my fault, I did something bad. Or even like very deeply, you're going to tell yourself that you're bad, or you're a failure, you're not good enough. I'm too stressed, I'm too big, I'm too small, I eat too much, I eat too little, I don't do yoga, I do yoga. So all those things that we're telling ourselves about what we're not enough or what we're not good enough, all of those fall under the same topic. Other ways that we talk to ourselves is we don't deserve it. We're not that type of person. We're not like that person that will get that pregnancy or result. So put under your list all the ways that you talk to yourself that are negative, that are not lifting, that are not supportive, that are not loving, that are not appreciating. And then on the other side, so you're creating a chart, and on the other side of that chart, you're going to put alternative ways of how you can talk to yourself. So let's say we said, it's my fault. You will replace it with, I'm doing my best. Or I'm too stressed, so I might replace it with, I deserve happiness. I am trying. I am making my effort. Or if there's a negative way of talking to yourself, like you're doing something bad or something wrong, instead of it, you're going to tell yourself either out loud or in your brain, I believe in myself. I see myself. I see my effort. I see my advances and my progress in the way that I do deserve. So you're going to put on one side the negative self-talk, and on the other side an alternative self-talk that is supportive, the way you would talk to a partner or a friend or a loved one. And then when you're noticing yourself throughout the day telling yourself something mean or scary or hopeless, then try to replace it with something that is more loving and supportive, just like you would talk to someone else that you love. And you can also start the day by reading those positive ways of talking to yourself and see if it feels different. Like actually put your hand on your chest and notice, how does it feel when I tell myself I do deserve, I am good enough, I believe in myself, I appreciate my effort? Does it make your body feel actually different? So this is my tip for today. My name is Einat Ezra, marriage and family therapist, specializing in fertility, helping people navigate this not always easy process of infertility or trying to get pregnant.